Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Native Cryptos and Tech. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can complete your token on Solana blockchain. So if you haven't watched my video yet, my previous video, the part one of this video, so I'll drop the link in my description down below for you guys to go back and check. Okay, so this is where we stop. This is where we stop how to customize your token. So first of all, connect your wallet to the website. So I'm going to drop the website in my description down below also, so that you can just follow up from there. Okay, so let's connect my wallet. Okay, so when you connect your wallet, you click on meeting. So let me scroll down. Loading. So I'm still loading right now. I'm loading here. So you have to scroll down. Click, you see there's different stuff here. So don't click on metadata. You click on token name. So you can see your token info. Scroll down, token address, name, meta island, symbol, total supply, decimal, stuff like that. So this is it. You can view the metadata here, so you can click on it later if you like. This is where you can burn some of the supply. So this is where you can burn the token, like you verify your wallet, click on connect wallet, approve. So you put the amount of token you want to burn here. So you put the amount of token, like let me burn 5 million token. Let me burn 5 million. Yeah. So let me burn 5 million token. You can see that right now. So this is how you can burn some coin. And let's go back to the token info. You see the effect is going to be updated soon. So it's just like same thing to add token. So let's scroll up. Fix supply, change authority, update metadata. This is where you're going to update your, okay, you can see it now. 195, the 5 million has been deducted from the list right now. Okay, so you click on connect wallet, verify your wallet, update. So this is where you're going to update the token, the name, symbol, token description, and everything. So let's go back to market, how you can add the token to market, right now. So this is how you're going to do it. Scroll down. So sorry, I'm still waiting for this to load. Okay, so if you want to add your add liquidity to your token, this is where you're going to add the desk lab listing. You click on add listing. If you want to list your token and add liquidity to it, this is where you can do it. So you're going to click on here. You create one of these, either of these. You can create the DEX one, like the way you are swapping, like you want to swap token. Let me show you this example. Like this way, you want to swap token to from all. This one is very easy, just like this one now. You see, like you want to swap one token to another here, but this other one right here, this other one is different. It's different from others. So you see, let me show you now. You see this one, here. So this is it. Click on market. You don't need you don't need much liquidity if you want to do this. You don't need liquidity. I'm still coming back to the other ones, so I'm going to show you that one right now. So you just click on, sorry guys, open book. Okay, this one is both trade. You see the difference. You can see the difference right now. You can see that this one is different. You have to set order, like from here you have to set order. You see people waiting to buy, just like you are trading from exchange. This is different from it. So let's go back to the first one right now. Let's go back to the first one.
Find it here in the list of our tokens. NFTI's token. Mint is the main address of the token. It's kind of ID of this token on Solana. So when someone will have 1000 of ICE, he will have 1000 of this token. Next, quote token mint address. This will be second currency in our market. So it will be pair IUSDC, for example. Yeah, we will use USDC and can create other later. Okay, minimum order size. Smallest allowed order size for DEX. I will leave it as 1 probably. Okay, tick size. I will leave it like this. Wallet is not connected. Let's connect our wallet with Phantom. Now I will submit it to create proof transaction. Okay. Error listing new market. System program error 1. What the fuck is this? Probably I need to have some souls on my wallet because it's failed for me. I have only one soul, 1.2 soul on my wallet. Like it may take up to 5 souls maybe to create this market. Let's try submit it. Okay, it was cost me about 3 soul to create this market. And here's new market address. Let's save it here. iMarket. Let's check Solana Explorer. So yeah, we have some account created by Serum Dex program version 3. It seems to be fine now. Now let's list this market. Let's go to list your market and add market listing. There's some information we need to cover. Symbol icon. Let's use this one. So main category will be NFT and second game, project name, NFTI's token. Next. Now we enter our market address. Base symbol will be I. Quote symbol will be USDC. Okay, let's go next. I hope we can change icon later. Congratulations, the market is registered. You have any questions about market, please contact us through Discord. May take one transaction history from 1 to 3 days for this market to be active. Okay, so we have our market set up. Now we want to create liquidity pool for our market so people can exchange it, can trade it. You can create liquidity pool on the Radium screen, on the Radium website. Go to liquidity and press create new pool. Here you need to enter details about your market. So here's ID to my market, Phantom. Let's connect. Next, we need to set price and initial liquidity. Okay, let's say we want to put 10% of our supply into liquidity pool. Go into liquidity pool of 1 billion supply. In other words, it will be 100 million ICE. And let's say we want to spend on this pool 20k USDC. So this means we want to put in pool 100 million ICE and 20,000 USDC. If we will reduce these numbers, like removing 4 zeros from each side, dividing it by 2, we will have a price for 1 USDC pair. We will have the amount of token will be traded for 1 USDC. So it's 5,000 ICE. Or if we will divide 1 by 5,000, we will find the price of 1 token in USDC. So USDC equal 1 I. This is one of the way you can calculate price. And let's say I want to initially put like 1k USDC just to start the market. So I will add 3 zeros here and 3 zeros here. So here's the amount of I need to put in this liquidity. So let's put the price, initial price, token starting price. Base token initial liquidity will be 5 millions. Yeah, and you see it calculates 1,000 USDC. Yeah, by the way, then I need to send this 5 millions ICE to this wallet. So it will be, so I have 5 millions ICE and I need USDC also. I can do exchange here, exchange Sol to USDC, swap. Okay, at this point I have 1,000 USDC and 5 million ICE in my wallet. So let's confirm. Okay, it cost me nothing actually to create it. After clicking confirm, you will need to approve 3 transactions in your wallet to initialize the pool. Create the MMM account and add liquidity. Okay, let's go. Approve another transaction. Put 1 million ICE and 1,000 USDC. The cost is, I don't know, a few cents. Yeah, I have to pay some Sol here as well. So it's look like $10 or something. Okay. Your pool is created. Okay, I will copy this information because I might need it later, especially MMA ID. So everything seems to be done. Now we can trade our coin like I. Now if you go to liquidity and type for I, you can see it here because it needs to be enabled from tokens from Solana token list. And we see it here, USDC. And now in my wallet I have 5 million unknown tokens. Probably this is liquidity pool tokens, which exchanged for my liquidity assets. By the way, if you will read Radium documentation, you will find that you need put at least 10,000 USD, or rather said, the pool need to have at least 10k USD at any given time to be available for trading. It's kind of threshold you need to put. Also, you need to keep in mind that Serum can create liquidity pools only for these tokens in pair. Sol, Ray, Serum, USDC, USDT. But it might be quite enough for the start. Okay, I think that's all for now. Hope you will find it useful. Check our project, NFTIs, check our coin, follow us on Twitter and join Discord group. Yo.